the NCP after a reported meeting between NCP chief Sharad Pawar and BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. This, of course, is something that NCP has dismissed. Party leader Praful Patel has reacted to the first time on allegations that the NCP is going soft on the BJP. Is there a realignment, a political realignment that is taking place just ahead of the 2014 Lok Sabha elections? Let's first listen in to Union Minister and NCP leader Praful Patel.
That is why I believe, and I say this again, that the NCP stand is very clear that we are in an alliance with the Congress and we continue to do so. And there is all this talk of a alliance with or some discussion with the BJP is completely baseless.
आप कहना चाहेंगे कि मोदी अभी आप सांप्रदायिक मानते हैं, उन पर जो आरोप लगे हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी पर जो आरोप लगे हैं,
I have stated it very clearly that the Congress has delayed the seat alliance talks with the NCP in Maharashtra for far too long. It is not a good sign for the simple reason that the elections are around the corner and all political parties need clarity on issues, and to that extent, obviously as a political party we need to have clarity. Options for all political parties are open as long as they are made clear. But the fact is we are awaiting clarity from the Congress. And that is exactly what has been stated by me or my party leaders in the past also. It is not for the first time I am addressing you today and stating a position from the NCP side. We have been saying it months and months, and the Congress spokespeople, at least, or the leaders in Maharashtra have been giving contrary signals, which is also not good in an alliance, because the same impression which is given in Delhi is different from what the leaders in Maharashtra speak. At the end of the day, people in the state want clarity. आज आम्ही मतदारांच्या समोर जात असताना मतदारांना पण हे म्हणजे स्पष्ट पाहिजे की आमच्या म्हणजे दोन्ही पक्षाचा काय मत आहे, आम्ही दोघांच्या मध्ये कितपत आमचा समन्वय आहे, हे सगळ्या गोष्टी आम्हाला लोकांच्या समोर जात असताना हे त्याच्या म्हणजे स्पष्ट म्हणजे एक मुद्दा घेऊन आम्ही जावं, म्हणून आम्ही वारंवार काँग्रेसच्याकडे हा आग्रह आम्ही धरत आहोत.